Word problem in fractions, and then exercise 4F, number 1. It says, what is the sum of 1 whole number 7/12 and 3 whole number 5/8? We know that sum suggests addition, so it will simply be this 1 7/12 plus 3 5/8. Now, the first thing I will expect you to do is to add in mixed mode. Please, when we are adding fractions, we add in mixed mode, we subtract in mixed mode. So I do not expect you to convert to improper fraction. No, you do that when you are multiplying or dividing. So with this, we take the LCM. So at the corner of your book, you can look for the LCM there. Using the approach, we seem very comfortable with this approach, so I'll go with this. So that will be LCM. When you multiply that to be 24. So with that, we can have that this will be 24, and then you add this 1 to 3, which are whole numbers, and that will be 4. And then 24 divided by 12 will give you 2 times 7. This divided by this times this, and that will be 14, plus this divided by this 3 times 5, and that will be what? 15. So you're going to have 4 whole number 29/24. This is overloaded. This is overloaded. So because it's overloaded, we need to take 24 out of it. Because 24/24 is equal to 1. Look at it. 24/24 is equal to 1. So if I take 24 from here, I will add it to this 4. It becomes 5. And I'll be left with what? 29 minus 24/24. That will give me 5 whole number 5/24. So let me give you some time to look at that. In question, difference means what? Subtraction. So the difference between one number minus number 11/12. What is the LCM? The LCM already is 24, so I don't need to bother myself going to go ego, because I know the LCM 4 minus 3. 4 divided by 8 times 22. That clear?
Yes, sir.
This cannot. 22 cannot be taken away. Who is that? You look at the original. 1, it will not be what? 22/24. The question is, uncle, 1 has disappeared. Yes, this 1 has disappeared to become what? 24/24. So I will add minus over 20. All right, so that's for question number 2. Let's look at question number 3. Question number 3. Is what problem? So we'll read the question and try to answer them. In question 3, it says that find the sum of 2 3/4 and 2 4/5. It says find the difference between the sum and 6. Beautiful. Difference between the sum and 6. So let's do the sum first. The sum is what? 2 3/4 plus 2 4/5. Which will be equal to LCM of that will be LCM of 20. 2 plus 2 will give you 4. 2 plus 2 will give you 4. 20 divided by 4 is 5. 5 times 3 is 15. Plus 20 divided by 5 is 4. 4 times 4 is 16. So this will give me 4 whole number, 31/20. This is overloaded, so I'll remove 20 from there. That 20 I'm removing from there is actually a whole number. The 20 I'm removing from here is actually a whole number. So this will give me 4, 5, 4 plus 1, 5, 31 minus 20/20. And that will give me 5 whole number, 11/20. And that's just the first phase of the question. The second phase now says that we should find the difference between that sum and 6. So it's going to be like this. It's going to be 6 minus this answer. Now, 6 minus 5 is 1. Please let's watch this one very well. 6 minus 5 is 1. I hope you know that what you have here is actually this. See what it means? So 6 minus 5 plus 11/20. I hope you know. It's just a customized way of writing this. This 5 11/20 means 5 plus 11/20. Let that one sink. This is added knowledge for you. 6 minus 5/11 means 6 minus all of this, which will be equal to 6 minus 5 minus 11/20. So 6 minus 5 is equal to 1. Please, I know in your primary school you were taught different methods. No problem. Like I always will tell you, I don't have a problem with your methods. If the method is cool for you, use it, as long as it is logical and while marking we can accept it. No problem. But I'm just trying to show you what that should be. This will be minus 11/20. So at this point, you cannot take LCM. Remember that 1 is actually what? 1/1. Or maybe I should take another line to help you understand it. 1/1 minus 11/20. And the LCM will be 20. So 20 divided by 1 times 1 will be 20 minus 20 divided by 20 is 1 times 11. That's 11. So your final answer is now what? 9/20. 9/20. That will be 9/20. All right. So any questions? So that's for question number 3. So let's go to question number 4 now. Okay, let me give us some time to record it now, please. Question 4 says, a girl spent a quarter of her pocket money on Monday So Monday is equal to 1/4. And then on Wednesday, is equal to 3/8. Now, the question is, what fraction of our money is left? Now, for fraction, comma, the original amount is described as 1. So a fraction, the original amount to be what? 1. Please take note of that. That's something you must take note of. So amount spent will be equal to what she spent on Monday plus what she spent on Wednesday. And you take your LCM. The LCM of 4 and 8 is 8. You would have done the LCM here. If you do that here, you would have seen it. So the LCM is equal to 8. 2 times 2 times 2. So as such, 8 divided by 4 is 2 times 1, that is 2, plus 8 divided by 8 is 1 times 3, it is 3. So that will give you 5/8. So amount left will be equal to 1 minus what? 5/8. Remember that 1 is same thing as 1/1. That 1 is 1/1 minus 5/8. LCM will be 8. 8 divided by 1 is 8 times 1, 8 minus 8 divided by 8 is 1 times 5, 5. So the answer is 3/8. Let me allow that one sink in. All right, let's look at question 5 together now. A fruit grower uses 1/3 of his land for banana, 3/8 for pineapple, 3/8 for mangoes, and the remainder for oranges. What fraction of his land is used for oranges? So note, original land size is equal to 1. That's something you must remember. When you're dealing with fractions, the original size is always 1. Original size is always 1. Initial amount is 1. The reference is always 1. Now, it says 1/3 for banana. So banana, 1/3. Pineapples, 3/8. Mangoes, 1/6. Oranges is X. Or you can just put a question mark. That's what we're looking for. So these are the land area that have been occupied. To add them up. So these are the areas we know that have been used. So this will be equal to what? So used part for oranges, pineapples, and mangoes will be equal to 1 plus 3 over 8 plus 1 over 6. So remember, we need to do our LCM. So this particular LCM, 8 and 6. 2 go here, I have 3, 4, 3. 2 go here, I have 3, 2, 3. 2 go here, I have 3, 1, 3. And 3 go here, I have 1, 1, 1. So LCM will be equal to 24. How did I get 24? 2 times 2, 4 times 2, 8 times 3, 24. So my LCM here will be 24. And so with that, 24 divided by 3 will give you 8 times 1, 8 plus 24 divided by 8 is 3 times 3, 9 plus 24 divided by 6 is 4 times 1, 4. So 8 plus 9 is 17. 17 plus 4 will give us 21. So this will now be 21 over 24. We can proceed and see that 21 over 24 is same thing as 7 over 8. How? 3 go here, 8, 3 go here, 7. So that's 7 over 8. So it means that fraction used for oranges. Oh, sorry. This should be banana. Please correct that. This should be bananas. Fraction used for oranges will be equal to 1, which is the original size of the land, minus 7 over 8. Remember that 1 is 1 over 1 minus 7 over 8. What's the LCM? 8. 8 divided by 1 is 8 times 1, that is 8, minus 8 divided by 8 is 1 times 7, which is what? 7. So the final answer is 1 over 8. So the fraction that is used for oranges will now be 1 over 8. Question 6. In question 6, that a 1/5 of the timetable for a class is given to English language. So we start by saying that time on timetable is 1. That's the total fraction. Total time on the timetable will be what? 1. Now, so English language is allotted 1 over 5. English is allotted 1 over 5. Then mathematics is allotted 1 over 8. So what fraction is left for other subjects? So other subjects, we don't know. So time or fraction maths and English. That's for maths and English will now be equal to 1 over 5 plus 1 over 8. I'll do that quietly here. 2 times 2, 4. 4 times 2, 8. 8 times 5 is what? 20. So 8 times 5 is 40. That will be 40 here. 40 divided by 5 is 8 times 1, 8 plus 40 divided by 8 is 5. 5 times 1 is 5. So that will be 13 over 40. So we will now try to get what is left for the other subject. So for the other subject will now be what? 1 minus 13 over 40. That one is essentially 1 over minus 13 over 40, which will now be equal to LCM of 40. 40 divided by 1 is 40 divided by 1 is 40 times 1, that is 40 minus 13. That will give you 27. That's what? Over 40. So that's it.